So we're going to have a look at multiplying and dividing with negative numbers. So here we've got 2 times 4, and well, we know that that's 8. So I want to do 2 times negative 4. So if I just do a little number line, I'm going to start at 0, and I'm going to do one lot of negative 4. And then another lot of negative 4 would be minus 8. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So what if I did negative 2 times 4? Again, I can do my number line. Start at 0, do one lot of negative 2, and we're going to do that 4 times. So my answer is negative 8. The hard one is negative 2 times negative 4. So start at 0, and I want a negative 2, but it's going to be times by a negative, so it's going to turn into a positive 2, and I want 4 lots of that. So a negative times a negative is a positive. If you're confused about the negative times a negative, have a look at this. We know that 9 times 9 is 81. If I do this in a grid method, but instead I choose 10 and take away 1, 10 take away 1 is 9. And I do 10 and take away 1, which is also 9. Well, I know that 10 times 10 is 100, and I've just figured out that a positive times a negative is a negative, so 10 times negative 1 is negative 10. 10 times negative 1 is negative 10. So at the moment I've got 100, take away 10, and take away another 10, which is 80. Well, I know that the answer is 81, so I must know that negative 1 times negative 1 must be positive 1 to make 81. The same rules apply for division. So 12 divided by 3, I know that's 4. 12 divided by negative 3, positive divided by a negative, is going to be a negative, so negative 4. Negative 12 divided by 3, so a negative divided by a positive, is also going to be negative 4. And then negative 12 divided by negative 3 is a negative divided by a negative. It's going to be positive, positive 4.